It's been a long time.
As some of you may or may not know, I am a huge Portal fan. Just a huge Portal fan. Case in point here, a Portal radio that I made. I own all of the NECA Portal guns. They only made 5,000 of each of these. And I got my gels, and I got Atlas and Peabody back there. But now I took it upon myself to make a fully functional Portal camera. This thing can move. All with this handy dandy joystick. It has a built-in camera, as you've seen at the beginning of the video. I will say that inside the camera, I should have taken apart the actual camera inside and relocated the microphone, because the camera still has its microphone on the inside of it. And that seems to create a little bit of an audio issue, so I had to adjust the audio at the beginning of this video. But this is a fully functional Portal camera. It is all 3D printed, except for a couple of components. There's a laser cut lens and iris, I guess you want to call it. Then on the inside of here, there's a couple like a retainer rings for the bearings that are in here. Then there's a couple of CNC rods that connect to the servos, because the first iterations that I had of this, I kept snapping the rods inside, and I'm running metal geared servos, so they don't really have much of a stall rate. I mean, they have a stall, you know that. But they're pretty tough. But I just thought I'd show everyone this fully functional Portal camera. Not entirely sure what I'm going to use it for as of yet, but it will have a use at some point. And once I connect like a microphone and record audio off the microphone and do the camera separately, maybe I'll start shooting some videos and stuff like that with it. But we'll see how that goes. Currently I'm working on some other projects. You hear all of my 3D printers in the background going. There's all my 3D printers running all at once. The other two 3D printers are down at the moment. One's underneath the shelf there, and then the other one I pretty much decommissioned. So technically I only have 4 3D printers. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer whatever questions you want about it. Just leave it in the comment. And take it easy. I also like to add that if you are looking for the files to 3D print this yourself, I designed a lot of the extra components myself, but the original files for this, I don't know how to pronounce his name correctly, so forgive me. It's Lilykill or Lilykill or something like that. I'll link to it in the description. And his files are excellent. I just wanted it to be motorized, so I heavily edited it. So there's a lot of editing that went on in here, but his files are excellent. You should definitely check it out. Anyway, take it easy.
When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the lemons back. Get mad! I don't want your damn lemons! What am I supposed to do with these? Demand to see life's manager. Make life rue the day it thought it could give Cave Johnson lemons. Do you know who I am? I'm the man who's gonna burn your house down with the lemons.
Goodbye.